The Jasion EB5 electric bike offers the perfect combination of power, versatility, and style. With a 500W motor, it reaches speeds of up to 20 mph and provides a range of 25 to 40 miles, thanks to its 360W removable battery. Whether commuting, exercising, or exploring trails, this e-bike is designed to meet your needs. For the best price, check the link in the description below. Its 26-inch puncture-resistant tires and front fork suspension ensure a smooth ride, while dual-disc brakes deliver reliable stopping power for added safety. The upgraded LCD display provides real-time data such as speed, distance, and battery life, making every ride more convenient. Crafted with a sleek, lightweight, high-carbon steel frame, the Jasion EB5 is both durable and stylish, perfect for city streets, rugged paths, or leisurely rides. This e-bike elevates your riding experience with advanced features and unmatched performance.